guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this little not little, but it's a small package of makeup that I saw in the Faith 5 family channel when Sarah was unboxing her BoxyCharm. She got this pen pal, that's what it's called, which is super cool. Reminds me of high school, the way they made it look. And it's like 4 different things. I think it's a lipstick, an eyeliner, what is it called? Oh, highlighter, and something else. But you're gonna go ahead, I'll go ahead and show it to you exactly what it is. And I ordered something else from them, so I'm excited to show you. But look at this filter, the color eyes. Oh man, love that. Not the tattoo, but trying to make it more like October-ish. But yeah, let's get into. Okay guys, so this is the package. This is how it came. Looks a little bit banged up, but you see it's called Alleyoop. Never heard of them till I saw it in Sarah's channel. I got Bellaroni here, but yeah, let's get into it. So this is the box, and let's get ready. More get up and go. Excuse me, Bella. Let's see. Okay. So there's this card here. Okay. So this is the pen that she got in her BoxyCharm. So it's 4-in-1 makeup pen. The concept, I love it. This is the pen, how it looks. Phone is not focusing. There it goes. So you get an eyeliner in black, highlighter in champagne, lip pencil in mauve, and an eyebrow pencil coffee brown, which that's not gonna go with my eyebrow. My eyebrow is so dark. Okay, so let's open this. Oh, these are the colors again. It shows you here. Be back. Okay, so I'm back. So look how cute. I don't know if you guys remember in high school we used to have those colorful pen and you would just click it. So I believe this is the eyebrow one. Excuse me, Bella. And you see the point. And if you want to turn it, no, that's the lip. That's the lip liner. It has a little mauve color. And then this is the highlighter. This is the eyeliner. And this is the eyebrow pencil, which you could use as an eyeliner as well. Let me go ahead and on my hand, put it on my hand. Isn't this cool? Or am I just goofy like that? I love this. Let me go ahead and put them on my arm so you can see. So these are the colors. Look at that highlighter. This is super cute. So just one pen and you're good to go. Especially me lately. I can't get into a schedule. I'm really out of it. Alright, so that's that. And then I got this. It's a multitasker, 4-in-1 makeup brush. I thought this was cool. So just keep in my purse these 2 items. And it'll be a quick quick makeup. So it has a powder brush, blending sponge, one medium
And here it goes.
shadow brush, and one angle brow
Isn't this
liner brush.
Good.
Let me go ahead and open this.
And the sponge.
So you guys can see.
And this plastic here. Well, doesn't feel like plastic, but it feels like good quality. Now let's see how I open for the other two.
There goes Bella. Always wants to be smiling. It's not for you, baby. Let me see if I can figure this out. This is the eyeliner and the eyeshadow brush. This is super, super cute. So you screw the bottom and top. Yeah, I think this was really cool. Hope you guys liked the video. I'm gonna show you one more package that I did before I bought my house. And it's a frame, personalized frame. Let me go ahead and get it. Hold on one second. They gave me a free little makeup little pouch. So this is a frame that I got for myself before I sold my house and bought the new one. And I said that I was not gonna open this unless I accomplished that goal. So I put this quote on the box. Dream as if you'll live forever. Live as if you'll die today. You are never too old to set another goal or dream a new dream. So I did accomplish that one goal that I wanted to do. And this is, now I'm allowed to open it and put it up on the wall. And it's super cute. It's a personalized frame. It says, "This is us, our life, our the entrance to the kitchen." What do you guys think? You like the frame? So yes, guys, you're never too old to set another new goal and make it happen. Feeling so grateful to start creating new memories in this new home. I just can't wait until everything is done and settled. Right, Bella? Right? You so beautiful. You so beautiful.